Hi everyone, and once again welcome back to World of Slotcast, to my annual video of the event. We host an event each year. This is Le Mans 2026. We have trophies over here for the winners of the different contests we have, and we will be watching movies or watching the Le Mans race here on our big screen. While the race runs, we will host all kinds of competitions. We will play board games that are based on racing. We will race racing simulators. We usually run Project Cars 2 and race on the Le Mans circuit. There will be plenty of time for playing pool, snooker, stuff like that. And we will probably also end up in here in the arcade room, playing a lot of arcade games, having some fun, playing some cards and stuff like that. The main attraction of the event is of course our slot car racing, as I usually also make a lot of slot car for the World of Slot Cars Patreon I run. So we'll just go down in here in the slot car room. This is one of my tracks, one of the newer tracks. It's a scale 1 to 43. Made that a couple of years ago. We are not going to be racing that this year. All of these models over here are 3D printed, kind of a hobby for me. And this is the next project that's coming up. But I just finished this one, a model of Moxxi over here. I think she turned out really great. The reason I made a full-scale model of Moxxi was due to the racetrack we have up here. This is the Armageddon track, or Apocalypse track, which was based on Borderlands. This still needs a lot of work before it's finished, but it's getting there. It's getting there. I'll be using some time on that in the future. Over here we have the trophy cabinet for all of the racing related stuff, and whatever I found, some asphalt from the Nuremberg ring, and we have a drag race strip right here. Also working on creating a scenery for that along the wall there. See, one building, but not lots more coming up. Cabinets with cars, and finally this is the track we'll be racing on today. My good old Nightland race circuit track here. So we'll be running Le Mans. The way we do this is we race for 2 times 12 minutes and count up the laps, and the one with the most laps wins. And in case of a tiebreaker, if a couple of races have the same amount of laps, then the winner will be the one that has run them the fastest. So yeah, that's probably about it. Thank you for watching, and have a great day everyone.